Alright, here's a quick tutorial to get the Discord developer badge in under 2 minutes or so. First, you're going to make a new server, create your own, name it whatever. Go into the server settings. You're going to turn on community, get started, do all this, that's done, get out of that. Then you're going to Google Discord developer portal. You're going to it's going to take you to here, go into applications, go to bot, name the bot whatever, turn these 3 on, save it, and then regenerate your token, copy it like this. You're going to go to botghost.com. It's going to ask you to input the bot token. You're going to paste that there. Once you paste it, it'll take you to this page. You're going to scroll down, click active developer badge, make sure this is turned on, right? And then go to invite. You invite, it'll take you to, select the server, the server you just made, right? Invite it, and now it's going to be like this, right? It doesn't matter what channel you do this in, just general to / first one should be active dev badge. Type that, just run it. That's it, quick and easy. And check this link in the next 24 to 48 hours. It should show up for you to be able to claim your badge. And yep, that's it. Super simple, super easy. Have a good one.